Are you struggling to ship your items internationally using Bitcoin? You're not alone. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of creating an international shipping label with Bitcoin. You can ship items from Germany, the USA, or Canada. This method is especially handy if you need to send letters or design checks too. Many people choose FedEx for shipping, but today, we'll focus on an alternative using Bitcoin. International label shipping allows you to send your purchased products to your country for a fee. For instance, after posting about buying iPhones, many asked how to get them to Ghana or Nigeria. You'll use a label website to arrange item pickup in your local area. Today, we'll explore Bitcoin postage, which requires no credit card, just Bitcoin and addresses. Let's dive into the shipping tutorial. First, search for the Bitcoin postage website and click the first link. Once you're on the site, observe how the page appears. Choose the appropriate postage type like United Postal Service, Canada Post, or Deutsche Post. If shipping from the USA, opt for United Postal Service. Check the weight and details from the website where you purchased your item. In the From section, enter the shipping address of your client or item, and in the To section, enter your address. You can select the shipping option based on your item's requirements. Enter your item's quantity and description, then click Add, Next, label it, and hit Go. Based on the weight and price, click Add to Cart. Proceed to checkout. Input your email, choose Bitcoin or Monero, and click Place Order. When the payment page appears, copy the Bitcoin amount needed and complete your payment. Finally, wait the specified number of days to receive your item. To summarize, this Bitcoin shipping method is effective if items are not shipped by the client. I use this for wiring checks too. If you want to learn about shipping via FedEx, comment, drop the FedEx method, and I'll create that guide. Now go ahead and start shipping with Bitcoin.